payments, I'm actually going to demo from my phone if all goes well. And I'm going to make Liza pay me some money. Now we have it implemented in the blocking mode right now, such that when I make her have an invoice due, she won't be able to use the app until she pays it. We are adding a more subtle version of that in the next couple of days, which is there'll be a banner in the app that'll just show her that she's got some time to come up, and then the coach will get to decide if and when they ever block them. So I'm going to make Liza. So by the way, as far as setting this up goes, so I am configured to pay with Stripe here. And basically all you need to do is come up with a Stripe account ID, which if you have a Stripe account, there's a page, and we'll write a help file for this where you get this field from. So I have pasted in the one that's from my account. And what that means is that I will get paid actual real money from my own real money here. I'm paying myself. I will lose a little bit on this, but not too much. Okay, so I want Liza to, I had her pay me some stuff earlier, but I'm gonna give her another one, just $1 today. And her contract is gonna be as of today, but maybe she has a week to still pay it. Hey, please pay me ASAP. And this is also where you can set, if this is for 10 sessions, for example, but also maybe they've already done 10 sessions. So as far as keeping track of it, we should say that this is appointment number 11. You can do that, or you can leave this at 1 if you want. So this is basically pay me $1 for 10 appointments. And it won't stop them if you set them an 11th appointment, but at least you'll see that, hey, you're on appointment number 10. So once I do this, it takes a second to go into Stripe. You'll see pending there for a second. And then within a minute or two, now it says open. So if I click on this, I can see the status is open. I can even follow a link from the Stripe perspective to see the invoice. And again, on the app, this will just launch into the tool, or within the app. So this is Liza needs to pay. And like I said, Liza, we have it set to always block right now, but there will be a setting on this invoice screen that will let you choose whether it should block the user or if it's okay. But I'm actually going to demo this from my phone, because then I can pay with Apple Pay. All right, so now I'm on my phone, and you can see I got the same screen on my phone. And I'm going to show paying with Stripe. So here's what it looks like on the phone. And I owe $1, but because I love Apple Pay, I'm going to not enter my credit card information and let you guys all watch it. I'm going to do Apple Pay. Face ID, get a better look at my phone. And notice over here, this went to paid. There's my invoice details, and I can get back to those later. I click done. Oop, I can't click on that because that's not my phone. This is my phone. So yeah, that was me receiving a payment, and I can come in here now. I can see this from the Stripe perspective, and Stripe has a whole dashboard where you can see all your payments. You'll get notified when the money comes through, etc. There's emails related to it as well. I should have gotten in the invoice email here. So Stripe has a nice infrastructure for all this, but basically within here, all you have to do is set up the setting with the LyfQuest ID that comes from your account. And then you can set payments to your heart's content with clients. And you'll have the ability, oops, that's the wrong one. You'll have the ability to, like I said, pick when the due date is and whether you want them to block them or let them keep using things.